Hello, good morning everyone.
Morning.
Hi Manish, good
Hello,
morning. One of the most important questions that everyone asks me all the time is what is the benefit of deep breathing? And since I normally speak about issues from scientific point of view and spiritual point of view, that's why today I am here with Manish to speak about benefits of deep breathing from spiritual point of view. Hi Manish, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you. You?
Fine, thank you. Tell us about deep breathing. What is the benefit of deep breathing on body and on mind?
Deep breathing. For breathing, we need to understand the breath first. What is the breath? See, breath, we just inhale and exhale. That's not a breath. Breath, the right definition of the breath is a life. Breath itself is a life. So we take breath in, we are taking life in. We are throwing the breath out, we are throwing the impurity out of the life.
So
All
we're
the toxin
breathing.
out from the
We're breathing oxygen and we are exhaling carbon dioxide.
yeah, we inhale positivity, oxygen, and many like health and all the kind of positivity, and we exhale carbon dioxide, all the impurities of the body.
Okay.
And for the deep breathing, if you breathe deep, you take more life. Again, I said breath is a life. So you take deep breath in, so it's more life you are taking inside, and life need to reach to the cells as well. That's called pranayama, breathing, like expansion of the breathing, expansion of the vitality, the life force into the body. So for that we need to breathe deep, so that can reach to the deep cells of the body to energize entire body and mind, because mind is an important part of nervous system. Brain and spine, they are important part of nervous system, and nervous system is responsible for the breathing. Same way breath is responsible for the nervous system. It's the major issue of the nervous system, like paralysis, that also I believe that also have can be cured through breathing.
Okay. But Manish, people will tell you that all the human around the globe are breathing. So what is the difference between all these human who are breathing normally and between us which we are talking about deep breathing in yoga?
Again, in yoga philosophy and some other philosophy also, it says that our life is depend on number of breath. Like everyone has certain number of breath, everyone has given certain number of breath, all the living things, even the animals also. So if you breathe deep, you are reducing the number, you are decreasing the number. Like in general, we breathe around 14 to 15 breath a minute. If you breathe deep, you will breathe 10 breath a minute. So you are reducing by 33%. So in this case, you are increasing your life by 33%. For example, very good example is there. The tortoise, turtle.
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 Okay.
They breathe very slow, very slow, very deep they breathe. So they live 100 years, like 500 years, 800 years, 1000 years they live. Elephant, so big animal, but breathing so light, so deep.
Okay.
He also lives like 200, 300, 500 years also, 200, 300 years. Upon that, the another animal you see, the dog, common animal, very fast breathing. So,
Shallow and
shallow
fast.
breathing. 5, 10, 20 year maximum.
Okay.
Human being, if you are stressed, tension, anxiety, anger all the time, fear all the time, these all sickness that making our breath short. So consuming your breath very fast.
Okay.
So if you breathe deep, you can save your life, you can increase your life. So that's the main benefit of the deep breathing. On the mind, again, deep breathing, again I said it will give you more oxygen, more vitality to each cell, even to the brain cell as well. So brain will be more activated. Not only brain, the mind actually. Mind is the main thing which is related to the breath. Monkey mind is said, right? So monkey also can be controlled by holding the breath. So if you control your breath, you can control the monkey mind as well. So through the deep breathing, it will be controlled automatically. For example, when you are angry, naughty, or like have any issue, stressed, we breathe very fast because my mental state is not right. When your mental state is fine, relaxing totally, you will realize that you feel that you are not breathing at all.
Okay.
So that taking so deep breath automatically if you're relaxed. So deep breath make your mind relax as well. And if your
Okay.
mind is relaxed, your brain will be healthy because it's not working unnecessarily, it's not running unnecessarily.
Mhm.
So that's why there's a main benefit of the deep breathing, which is very important to keep you mentally and physically healthy.
Okay. And since we are saying that mind and body are connected together, so when your brain gets quiet and when your mind gets quiet, relaxed, this will reflect on your body. And if you have any pain, the pain will disappear, will go away, or will decrease because your mind and your cells are getting the proper amount of oxygen and are getting the relaxation.
Yeah. And how does it happen? Again, when your mind is relaxed, it will focus more on the body. When your brain is
Oh.
relaxed, it will focus more on the body as well. So wherever you need oxygen, wherever you need repair, the brain cells will send the oxygen, the vitality in those
To
areas.
rejuvenate the cells.
Which area? Diabetes, so you need more on the kidneys, on pancreas. So automatically system will send there. You are perfectly healthy, it will build up your immune system as well. So it will make you fight with against all the issues. So this way it help health wise,
Perfect.
physically.
Amazing. Thank you, Manish, for this conversation, this interview.
Welcome.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Bye.